Hi all, we are the students of Welltech Multitech from EEE department. This is a project industrial motor monitoring system using Arduino through Ethernet. These are the hardware kit of our project. This is a half HP AC motor. This is terminal block which is used to block the terminals of the motor and also for SMPS. This is SMPS Arduino. Arduino is used for an analog output. This is a breadboard. Why we are using breadboard in sensors means to make a output for in analog connections for sensors. This is a temperature sensor, output, input, and analog output is connected to the breadboard. From this breadboard we are connecting to the ground, and from ground to the Arduino. This is SMPS used only for the power supply to the sensors of temperature sensors, vibration sensors, and this is a reading of our project output. Speaking of our project, the design and development of a real-time conditioning monitoring system for managing industrial motors. The system can monitor temperature, vibration, and current condition of induction motors through Ethernet using Arduino. The induction motor is taken as an example of monitored industrial equipment. The induction motor is taken as an example of monitored industrial equipment due to its wide use in industrial process. Motor stator current, temperature, and vibration signals are measured for further processing and analysis. Using Arduino continuous monitoring of temperature, vibration, and current parameters will be taken through Ethernet. To monitor the health of the motor, we are using temperature, current, vibration sensors. Temperature sensor is commonly used to prevent the overheating and ensure that motor remains compliant. Vibration sensor is a device that measures the amount and frequency of the vibration. Current sensor accurately detects the current in the motor and allow us to measure the current passively without interrupting the circuit in any way. So we will be monitoring all these parameters using Arduino programming through the Ethernet. Advantage of our project: need minimum maintenance, convenient to use, increased machine life expansion, improved equipment safety, improved personal safety. Application of our project: industrial machine monitoring, remote machine monitoring, power utility maintenance, and finding detecting mechanical issues.